how to reset or recover Gmail account password if forgotten. So let's get started. Firstly, open with settings. You will find this gear icon in the quick menu if you swipe down from the top of your screen. Once there, simply tap on the Google. It's next to an uppercase G on a blue background. Then tap on the Manage Your Google account. You will see this under your profile picture. Then simply tap the Security tab. You may need to slide the menu left to find this option. The menu starts with the Home and Personal Info tabs. Then simply tap on the password under signing into the Google. To find this option, you might need to scroll down the menu. Then simply tap Forgot Password. It's in the blue text below the field where you could enter your password if you know it. Then select a recovery method. There are numerous ways that you can get into your account. Confirm your screen lock. Since you are using an Android device that you have previously logged in with, you can use your phone's lock passcode, PIN or pattern to continue. Then the second one is enter your password. If you remember a previous password, use it to get access to your Gmail account. Then get a verification code. If you have a recovery email account, a code will go to that email, so you can use that to get into your Gmail account. Then, or if none of this work, then simply tap on the try another way to sign in. This works if you have previously had that Google or Gmail account on your phone and will automatically log you in or offer you more options for logging in, like emailing you email with a recovery code that you can access from another computer or smartphone. Once you get into your account, you can change your password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.